Alright, as I said in the previous video, I'm going to show you how to set up a landing page using this nifty software. You can go get a 7-day trial for $4.95 of this software at squeezepage.mymasterstrategies.com, or you can click the link below this video. Okay, now I'm walking you through this the first time I'm actually doing it, so you're going to see it and I may stumble around a little bit, but the point is to show you how easy it is. That's why I didn't do it beforehand. I typically make my squeeze pages with an HTML editor, but I thought that would be too difficult to teach you. That's why I'm recommending you use this software. Alright, in this software you'll see a bunch of options once you've purchased it and you've got your account set up. We want to create a new landing page, but before we do, there's some elements that when we create the landing page, we're able to just drag and drop these elements in there, these different elements. Alright, so we want to create these elements and have them ready so that we can create this landing page as easily as possible. And I mentioned also in the last video, if you watched it, that you're allowed to use, for a squeeze page, you need to give them something of value. And you're allowed to copy what I'm going to show you now, and you're allowed to give away my blueprint to multiple streams of income, that PDF that you've been following. You're allowed to give that away, but you are not allowed to edit it, change any links, or anything in it. You have to leave it exactly how it is, and you can give it away as something. But that'll get you going so you can already start capturing leads, have something to give them, and then after you give them that blueprint, you can turn around and make affiliate offers to them, content-driven offers to generate more income. But that said, let's get started, okay? We're going to need a sign-up form. That's why we created our iContact account before this, okay? So let's click on Manage Sign-up Forms, and it's going to ask us to add a new sign-up form. So let's click on Add a New Sign-up Form, and let's name it. We'll name it My First List right now, but you can name it something that is appropriate in the future. Now we need the code. We need a sign-up form code. So we're going to go into iContact. I'm already here in our iContact account. We didn't set up a sign-up form yet, so let's do that now. Go to My Contacts, then click on Sign-up Forms, then click on Create a New Sign-up Form. You can manipulate the colors and different things like that. I'm not going to mess with that right now. Click on Next. And then you're going to say what you want it to require. I recommend just an email address and a first name and nothing else. And have it be a text entry box. No, we don't need that. This is a custom URL. We're not going to get into this. In the future, you would want a thank you URL that they went to, and you would want to sell them something at that point when they go to the thank you URL. This is so that even if you use my blueprint to give them something of value on the next page, you could sell them something that pays you a commission, and you'd have that web page where they would go. But we're not going to get into that right now. Let's just click Save. Oh, and we need to choose a list, okay? I'm going to choose my networkers list. So the list you just created, that's the list you're going to have this sign-up form attached to. That means when they opt in through this form, they're going to fall into that list, and they're going to get that series of autoresponders. So save that. I'm not sure what is missing. Oh, I have to name it. Okay, name it something and click Save. There you go. Now you've got the code. This is the code we need to copy and paste. So we can preview our sign-up form, but I'm not going to at this point. Let's just copy and paste it all. Copy. And let's go back to PageMaker and where we opened up sign-up forms right here where we were, okay? And paste the form code. Now click on Add Sign-up Form, and My First List is added, and that's started. We'll continue in the next video.